Welcome back, guys. This is Mike Brookman with the Radan guys, and today we're going to take a look at how do you unfold this and cut it on my tube laser. Let's dive in. Well, hopefully we're going to be able to do this in less than a minute. So first, I'm just going to start clicking on the sides that kind of join this, and she's going to pop open and give me that tube extrusion that I'm looking for, so that then I can take it to my tube laser and cut it up. I'm just selecting the spaces that are connected. That one. There we are. We'll extend. And there we go. Kind of breeze past it, but I'm adding cylinder relief of 30 thou. Kind of do a refresh on that. You can kind of see what I'm talking about right here. Now we need to tool this thing up. All right, let's click apply. It's got all my cuts. Do a quick check for collisions and simulate. I'm not sure if that took a minute or not, but time we are done simulating here, then we will run code and we could take this out to the machine and cut it up. And that's how you unfold a bent pipe. This has been Mike with the Radan guys. If you guys enjoyed that one, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or reach out, give us a call, or email me directly.